Good morning, my dear students. Today we will talk about the numbers. When we talk about number, firstly we should know what is a number. So number, it is a mathematical value. It is a mathematical value that is used for counting and measuring. So number is a mathematical value that is used for counting and measuring. And when we talk about counting, when we have to count anything, we always start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this way. If we have to count the number of students in a class, then we start from 1. If we count the number of people in a village, we start from 1. Anything, whatever we are counting, we always start from 1. And these counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to infinite, these are called your natural numbers. These are called my natural numbers. So natural number are simply the counting number which are used to count anything, because the starting value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But if I add 0 in the natural numbers, 0 in natural numbers, then natural number including 0, they become whole numbers. What they become? They become whole numbers. So if I used to write it, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These represent the whole numbers. Now the question arises, if I ask you one thing, that question is, if I ask you all natural numbers are whole numbers, all natural number are whole number, it is true or false? It is true or false? It is true, because all the numbers which are counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these all are included between the whole numbers. So it is true, all natural numbers are whole number. But if I reverse it, if I ask you all whole numbers are natural numbers, this is my question, then it become false. Why? Because 0 is a whole number, but it is not a natural number. So my answer will be false. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural number. If I represent it in the way, if these are my natural numbers, these are my natural numbers, if I include 0, then they become whole numbers. So this complete the bigger circle represent the whole numbers. So this is natural and the whole numbers. All natural number are whole number, but all whole numbers are not natural number, because we will not include 0 in the natural number. After the whole numbers, now we have integers. Now we have integers. So what are integer? If I include negative of if I include negative of natural number, if I include negative of natural number in whole numbers, negative of natural numbers plus whole numbers, then the whole will become the integer. So what are the example? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my whole numbers. Now if I include the negative of natural numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 in this way. So this complete set represent the integers. Again the same question, if I ask ki all integer are natural number, all integers are natural number, it become false, because integers include the minus negative numbers as well as 0, but natural number do not include the negative and 0. So all integers are natural, false. But if I say all natural number are integers, yes, it is true. Why? Because integers include negative, 0 and all the counting numbers, so it become true. Same case with the whole numbers. If I say all whole numbers are integers, then it is true, but all integers are whole numbers, then it is false. So these are my integers. After that we have rational numbers. What numbers? We have rational numbers. So what are rational number? The number which are represented in the form P upon Q, the number which are represented in the form P upon Q are called rational numbers, the number which are represented in P by Q form are called your rational number, and the condition P as well as Q both will be integers, and Q will not be equal to 0. Q will not be equals to 0. So these are my rational number. And if I talk about the definition in 9th class, the definition of rational number, what are the rational number? Rational number are those number whose decimal expansion, I am talking about here decimal expansion. Decimal expansion is terminating. Now the new term arises here, terminating. So what is the meaning of terminating? Mean that if I divide 5 with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So that means here remainder is 0. So 5 upon 2 is a rational number because the decimal expansion is terminating. After 5 there is no digit. So these are your rational number. Then terminating, and second what we have, if I say, if I talk about rational number, in 8th class we have P upon Q, in 9th class we have decimal expansion. If decimal expansion is terminating or repeating, so if I talk about what is the meaning of repeating, say 10 upon 3, if I take the case, this is a rational number. Why? If I divide 10 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1. So that means in decimal expansion continuously what we are getting, 3.3333 and so on. That means 3 is repeating again and again. So the number which have decimal expansion terminating or repeating are called the rational number. Now come to the last, that are irrational number. So what are irrational number? So irrational number are those number, whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. The number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, neither it is terminating nor it is repeating. For example, I take 1.01, 001, 0001, 4 times 01 ... Now in this you can see that the digit after the decimal point 01, 001, 0001 and 4 times 01, nothing is repeating. So these number are called your irrational number, but we call them irrational number. So this is the simple definition, irrational number. And one more thing you have to keep this in your mind, that all root number which is not a perfect square, root numbers, for example root 2 is also irrational. But if I ask you, what about root 9? Is root 9 a irrational or rational? Root 9 is a rational number because 9 is a perfect square. When I solve it, I get 3, and 3 is a rational number. The prime 2, under root 3, under root 5, under root 7, all these number are your irrational number. So rational number and irrational number. So the simple definition, the decimal expansion in rational either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. But in case of irrational, the decimal expansion is always non-repeating. So this is all about the numbers. So thanks for watching. I hope कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है. So thank you.